companies of Zero of SRPC3. So outguarded here by the public violence of guarded the can say and as each of the violence is inside Africa, but in South Africa, one of us in their companies of silver, so ons kan dit dan uit van die lees of silver, om te kan leven lees kan hebben. En daar was kan dit dan aan de person in Guy Foxes, the residents to South Africans we are, and that's why they decided to local municipality that reduces half the poor services of the area. But without the local municipality, they have been up agencies to remove the sharks for their safety reasons. Otherwise, to do that is do that, but there's no way to do. Municipality says they have to do this inside the South Africans, and that's why however SABC News put their feet in Western Cape. However SABC News put their feet in Western Cape.